I'm Tony Sklar with bnetTV. We are here at the Small Cell Global Congress in Berlin. I am speaking with Huawei's Mr. Liu Ju. How are you today, sir?
Fine, thank you.
Excellent. So let's talk about what you spoke about this morning and where Huawei's position is within small cell ecosystem.
In fact, Huawei have been investing a lot for small cell area. It's around 5 years, and we have all these, small cell products, including, the popular Fento is a few years ago is popular, and now we think that traditional network structure would be better for macro and also for Pico products, and also we have Wi-Fi. For our small cells, for macro, Pico, combine Wi-Fi together. Yeah.
So tell me a little bit about the enterprise space and what some of the interesting use cases have been from going from consumer to enterprise.
In fact, we see that the hotspot not only limited to consumer or residential area. We are thinking that for the city center square, for the pedestrian street, and for the high-tech garden, and lots of residential buildings, you have to settle your high-end users in this area first, and the macro with 10 watts to 1 watts RF power could give you the best, TCO, results. And with suitable solutions, it could cover next 5-6 years capacity requirements. Yeah.
Really, that's quite large, and is that going to open up the small cell arena for enterprise for Huawei a lot more because of that increase?
Yes. We think that, because the macro base station could only supply actual maybe 15 times capacity, and but the capacity requirements in next 10 years would be hundreds. Somebody say, 500, somebody say, but anyway, it's about 100 times. So all the rest rely on the small cells. And our understanding is you deploy small cells from macro. It could give you best TCO, and then you could fund for the blind coverage, small independent area. You could have some requirements of Pico, and then you move to residential area, some complaint users for some, Fento. So this is sequence. Yeah.
What makes Huawei's products better than your competitors' products?
We have some key criteria for the small cells. Number one, it should be modular design, because you have different, backhaul requirements. It's Wi-Fi, it's GPON, it's XDSL. So if with modular design, you could just fit your small cells right on the site without any redundancy. This is the first, modular design. The second, we think AS is very important, the beamforming. Because the small cells is on the lamp pole or on the wall, it's difficult for you to touch it. And it's already very expensive, to adjust the RF for the macro base station. For small cells, it have to be very flexible. So beamforming to control your bandwidth and control your RF directions on the core network part is very, feasible. Yeah. So we think AS is very important. And then the last one, you have to support all kinds of wireless backhauling. Wireless backhauling, very flexible. And this is connected with our module design on site. And the basement is SO1. You have to optimize the network by yourself, coordinate with the macro base station. Yeah.
Louis, thank you so much for taking the opportunity to speak with us here at the Small Cell Global Congress. I hope we get a chance to speak with Huawei or yourself again on this topic in the future.
Okay, thanks a lot. It's my pleasure.
I've been speaking with Mr. Liu Ju from Huawei here at the Small Cell Global Congress in Berlin, and I am Tony Sklar with bnetTV.